After getting dentures, it's essential to take proper care of them to ensure their longevity and maintain your oral health. Here are some post-care tips to follow. Number 1. Clean your dentures daily. Remove your dentures and rinse them after eating to remove any food particles. Brush them gently with a soft-bristle toothbrush and non-abrasive denture cleaner or mild soap. Avoid using regular toothpaste as it can be too abrasive and damage the denture surface. Number 2. Soak dentures overnight. Place your dentures in a denture cleaning solution or a glass of water overnight to keep them moist and prevent them from warping. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific soaking solution you're using. Number 3. Handle with care. When handling your dentures, stand over a folded towel or a basin of water to prevent them from breaking if accidentally dropped. Avoid using excessive force while cleaning or inserting them. Number 4. Maintain good oral hygiene. Even with dentures, it's important to keep your mouth clean. Brush your gums, tongue, and the roof of your mouth with a soft bristle toothbrush or a damp cloth every morning before inserting your dentures. This stimulates circulation and removes plaque. Number 5. Visit your dentist regularly. Schedule regular checkups with your dentist, even if you have complete dentures. They can ensure the fit is still optimal, make any necessary adjustments, and examine your mouth for any signs of irritation or infection. Number 6. Be cautious with adhesive use. If you're using denture adhesive, follow the instructions carefully. Avoid using too much adhesive, as it can cause discomfort and make cleaning more difficult. If you experience persistent discomfort or difficulty with your dentures, consult your dentist for advice. Number 7. Handle any sore spots. During the initial adjustment period, you may experience some sore spots or irritation. If this occurs, don't try to adjust the dentures yourself. Instead, contact your dentist, who can make the necessary adjustments to alleviate discomfort. Number 8. Avoid damaging habits. Do not use your dentures to bite or chew hard objects like ice, hard candy, or pen caps, as this can cause damage. Additionally, avoid smoking or excessive alcohol consumption, as these can negatively impact oral health. Conclusion. Remember, dentures require regular care and maintenance to ensure their longevity and to promote oral health. Following these post-care tips and maintaining good oral hygiene will help keep your dentures in good condition and contribute to your overall well-being.